Hey guys, just got my Burret clamp here. Having a bit of a problem with it. As much as I try and tighten it with that wing nut there, this connection here, it just is, it's rattly and loose. Right now this wing nut is tight, but if you look, this thing just rattles around like it's going to fall off. It's this part here. I don't know how I fix it or what the story is. I know that my other one that I bought from you doesn't have that problem. Don't know what to do, but I'm going to call you in a little bit, and I figured that you're going to ask questions that I can't really show you on the phone, so I'm going to post this on YouTube, and you guys can see for yourself. Yeah, see, that's just not going to get it done.